Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put gyro in PUBG. The gyroscope feature in PUBG Mobile lets you aim and control recoil by simply tilting your phone. This can significantly improve your accuracy and reaction time, especially in close quarters combat. It's a game changer for many players, offering a more immersive and intuitive control scheme. Let's dive into the settings to get you started. To begin, launch PUBG Mobile and head to the main lobby. Look for the Settings icon, typically found in the bottom right of your screen, and tap it. From there, you'll see a menu on the left. Select Controls. Within the Controls section, you'll need to find and tap on Advanced Controls to reveal the gyroscope settings. This is where you'll customize your gyro experience. Once in the Advanced Controls, you'll see options for gyroscope. You can set it to Scope On, meaning it activates only when you're aiming down sights, or Always On for constant control. Adjust the sensitivity sliders for various scopes, such as the 2x, 4x, or 8x scopes. Head to the training ground to fine-tune these settings until they feel just right for your playstyle. Mastering the gyroscope takes practice, so spend time in the training ground. You'll notice significant improvements in recoil control, particularly with weapons like the AKM or M762. It also enables quicker target acquisition and smoother tracking of moving enemies. Many top players use gyroscope for a competitive edge, so embrace this powerful tool to elevate your PUBG Mobile gameplay to new heights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.